Hello, welcome to the Peekaboo Gatefold card tutorial. Today we will be making a gatefold card, a variation of this one with the frog. You may have a kit that looks something like this. You can do lots of different kits depending on the paper that you have. These are just a few. The instructions would be the same. You would just change up what's here in the center. Messed up on that one, I've got to glue that in. So let's begin. I am using the tall frog with the glasses from the So Hoppy Together Cling stamp set from the Celebration catalog, and also the Happy Birthday to You stamps from the Happy Birthday Gorgeous stamp set. So, I have already pre-cut my base cardstock. It needs to be trimmed to 5.5 by 7 3/4. I've also taken, this is trimmed to 5 1/4 by 1.5 inch. So we will now take and score our base cardstock at 1 3/4 inch. Card stay closed, you'll want to make sure that you go over the score line about 3 times or more so that it will stay closed. Okay. And you can use any adhesive that you like. I'm going to use this just for the tutorial purposes, even though I recommend using liquid glue, especially if you do like I just did and run off the side of the paper or have a hard time centering. So you just want to make sure, depending on what type of paper that you use, that you put it right side up. See, I've got these frogs here and I want to make sure that they're not upside down. So I'm going to center it here. Center it on each flap. Right. Then we're going to take our centerpiece. It says to you, and it's got the cute leaves there from the Happy Birthday Gorgeous stamp set. Yeah, definitely recommend the Stampin' Up brand. Okay. That you have it centered here so that whenever you close the card you can see the leaves, if you have one that's you're just trying to hide the center message. So now we're going to take the layers, and I'm doing this one a little bit different than my example card here. So I'm going to glue the middle layer down. Because I have the beaded eyes glued down already. Use the liquid glue for this. Just right. And now I'm going to add a little bit of glue to the top right here. You don't want to glue the bottom piece down. Ooh, that's probably more glue than I need. And you want to make sure that you don't put it too low down here because you got to put the bow there. So try to center it but move it slightly up. about 7 inches. I'm going to take a rabbit ear. Yes, I have ink on me. Take rabbit ears, cross it over, pull it through, hold on to the bow part, and as you're pulling, you just kind of have to play with it. But this, when you're working with a short piece like this, is kind of a little harder to do, but pull it tight, and then you can keep adjusting. Okay. So this would be the front of my bow, this would be the back. I'll trim the bottom in just a second, but what we're going to do is take the glue dots here, and I recommend using about 3, and you want to place them toward the bottom of the bow, because you don't want it at the top, otherwise this piece right here will stick. You don't want that to happen, so put it toward the bottom of the bow. Add several more just so that it stays. I'm not very good at these tutorial videos. This is my first one, so you see, I got a glue dot on my finger. I'm just going to add it here too. Alright. So, I'm going to make sure that whenever I tuck it in, it's not going to be covering. Because if you put it too high, the cardboard will fold up on you. So let's see if I got this placed right. When you tuck it in, you don't want it to curl up. Right. So see, the ribbon kind of helps hold it in place. And then you just want to trim off the bottom here. To do is put our happy birthday greeting, and you can put it in the center or over to the side, whichever you prefer. For this, I'm going to use the 3D squares, foam squares. I'll put one on each end. And because his hands are going that way, I'm going to put it over here. Make sure that the foam is on the circle piece, and voila, then we're done. There you go. Gatefold, Peekaboo gatefold card.